So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So now first of all I'll have bath because in the morning I wake up late, and that's why I can't uh, uh, bath. So now I'm going to have bath, and after that I'll have meal, and then I'll take some rest because yesterday night I awake for late night, but I can't learn overall questions and answers because which I want to which I have which I had planned. According to that I can't complete them. So I had only one question I learned, and that also not perfectly. So I have only one day, and in the night I will revise. So in one day I want to complete at least 3 to 4 questions. So okay, so first of all I am going to have bath. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I had bath, and after that I had meal, and then when I had meal, after that I went for the rest, and after that uh, when I got sleep I did not understand. Then after 1 hours I wake up, and now I am feeling okay. But when I wake up I am again sleep. I am feeling like again sleep, but I can't. So okay, now I'm going to do studies. Let's go. So guys, now I'm going to sleep. So just now I wake up for I did complete my studies, and I'll only 2 questions, and there is 2 answers. So remaining questions I'll learn in the night, because now I'm going. It's okay, I don't understand what should I sleep. So okay, now I'm going to sleep. Whatever I have remaining work I'll do in night, and okay. Let's So guys, now first of all, before sleeping I will complete my oral task, because in night there will be no time for the completing my task, because I have to watch IPL, so that's why. And remaining task will complete after the match, the like studies, etc. So now I am going to complete my some 365 days challenge, and meditation will complete when I uh, get, wake up at evening. So now it's 4. I'll sleep at least for 2 hours, and then I'll complete whole task. So now whatever small task is I have to complete. And guys, uh, just I have completed 5 months, which I'm making videos, and in 3 months I did make vlogs in Hindi, and I want to improve my speaking skills, but it's not improving properly because I'm not focusing properly. Just I'm making, and not uh, where I did where I made mistake. I'm ignoring that all. That's why it's happening with me. And guys, I have only 7 months to in these 7 months I want to improve and overall skills, and whatever I have planned I want to complete them. And guys, also improve my speaking skills. Like sometimes I made mistakes, and I in my mind there is no words for speaking. Like some time ago happened. What I want to speak in next word I can't remember properly, and that's why it's happening like this. So okay, so now I'm completing overall task, and then I'll go for this sleep. So okay, so let's go. Guys, sometime ago I wake up, and after that I took some rest, and then I watch IPL match. So now I want to have meal, so that's why I'm going to do meditation. So that's why. And okay, so first of all I'm doing meditation, and then I'll complete the task if, in short period of time, and also I'll do study. So now first currently I doing meditation. So let's So guys, I just completed my meditation. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll complete my match, and then I'll do study. So guys, I just learned 2 to 3 questions, and that also I have to revise them. And another thing is that just tomorrow is paper, and that's why I have to complete my whole unit. That okay, so if possible I'll do study more than 2 to 5 hours, 2 to 5 hours. So and also I'll wake up early in the morning, but if I'm awake late night, so I can't wake up early in the morning, but I'll try to wake up. So okay, now I'm going to have meal, so let's go.